Hi, Dr. Mary here, and at the moment I'm working on a pendulum that made its way back to me because it broke. It's been sitting with me for a while. If it's yours, you're probably going to recognize it. The carnelian, the crystals. And so I'm putting it back together. I really like doing this because it gives me, an opportunity to get into my stash and see what I have to work with. And it's just like really peaceful to have the energy of the stones. And so like while I'm doing this, I'm thinking, all right, I think that came together pretty well.